to do? Zero. Do we need to put the zero there? Zero? Okay, 54. Alright. 600 was the number we put on the line to kind of even those out. Let's do this one. What if we want to find the distance between Scotts Bluff and South Pass?
South Pass.
How do we start to figure that out? South Pass is how many miles? William. Right. 914 miles away from Council Bluffs. Scotts Bluff is how many miles? East side.
596.
Okay. So we want to find the distance traveled from Scotts Bluff to South Pass. And let's use a number line.
Yay!
Number lines are going to be a good strategy to use when you're finding distance. Okay, you can certainly stack, but you got to think of it when you're traveling distance, you're making jumps on the map. So you want to see how much those jumps are, how many miles those jumps are.
Oh, mother.
So, Cherie, what's the first number we're going to put on the left side? 596.
Are we on the fourth line?
Yep, we're on number 4. So what's South Pass?
I just figured it out.
Cherie. 914. And boys and girls, when you're using number line, it's okay to put the location where that dot is. Scotts Bluff. So you don't get confused. If it asks you to find a point on the line, put that point and name it.
I figured it out already.
This is South Pass. Okay. For the benefit of others, let's go walk through it again. What are two numbers, multiples of 100, that I could also put on that line that would help it make sense when we look at it as the jumps? Dominic? What's two numbers we could put on that line?
You could, well, right now you could probably put 4. That's because that's in the middle.
Oh!
400?
Oh.
No, 4. Just 4. Just plain old 4. No, Mr. G.
Maybe 700.
Oh.
Okay, we could probably put 700.
No, but
But we can also put two other numbers on there. Ian, what two other numbers, multiples of 100, could we put on that line?
800.
We could put 800. What about between 596 and 700?
600.
We could put 600. What about between 800 and 914?
900.
900.
Oh, this is easy. You got 4 to get to 600. You got 100.
Okay, so, Omri, how much are we jumping? 596 to 600. How many are we going? 596 to 600. Put 596 in your head, everybody.
95.
597, 598, 599, 600. How many are we jumping to 600? Omri, say it. 4. Okay. Let's go. How many are we jumping from 600 to 700? Chris.
100.
100.
What?
jumping 700 to 800? Haven.
700 to 800, that would be 100.
Very good. How many are we jumping? 800 to 900. Lydia. 800 to 900, Lydia. 100. Okay.
Jump.
Devin. How many are we jumping? 900 to 914.
14.
14.
I've already done it.
Okay, could we eliminate one of these or two of these 100 numbers?
Yeah.
Yes, William.
You can eliminate 2 of those, and you can just make the jump from 4 to, and the bunch of printers, you can just change that to going 300 to 900.
Exactly. We don't need 700 or 800 in there. We could make that one big jump to 900 and make that 300. Do that one, do that one, do that one. Well, we have 2 small ones, so we go to 100 multiple. We have another small distance, so we do use the 100 multiple. That way we only have 2 small numbers and a big 100 multiple to add. So, what is the distance between Scotts Bluff and South Pass? Brianne?
318.
318. Very good.
Yay! I got it.
Because 300 plus 14 plus 4 equals 318. Okay. Let's practice adding 2 distances. So, more than 2 distances.
How are we going to find this out? 318.
Which number? Number 5 and 8 are distances that will be in the thousands. Those are the challenge questions. If you want to challenge yourself, you can certainly try and figure those out in the workbook. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We are going to work on page 41 and 42. I solved first question. You need to solve question number 2. On 42, I solved question 3 and 4. If you think you understand using a number line, using your jumps in multiples of 100, you can do problems 5 through 8. I will walk around and help you get started with those problems 5 through 8 if you don't understand. Okay? You can work with a partner to help you solve these problems. But I do not want to have any other conversations except about math.
I got my partner right there.
If you finish these pages, then you're doing really, really good. But I'm going to tell you right now, 5 through 8 is a very tough challenge.